Hey, I have another little video with a little tech tip. Broken Samsung A03S, I think is the model. So I had to get into this because I have two-factor authentication on it. Oh, I'm using the phone. Using the phone right now with a good screen because I bought a new one. But to get into this, I was thinking about replacing the screen, literally taking the whole fucking screen off. And getting this back piece off alone was a pain in the ass. But you can find a video. Let's try to link the video I watched. But one thing they didn't mention in that video, mentioning here, is that this motherboard comes right the fuck out. Right out. Real easily. Oh, I forgot the battery. The battery clip right here. There we go. So all one needs to do to access their data, or even swap it out if you just buy another phone, you can just take the other phone and pop this motherboard right out and put it in the other phone. This phone, the phone I'm using with a good screen, is what I put it on. Then I turned it on with the battery and everything, booted right up, got my authentication codes after getting online, syncing the application with Google servers, got my Google authentication codes, signed in this stuff, turned off two-factor authentication, then turned off the phone, took this out, swapped in the current one that's good, and all that. No need to do the second step, which is use a heat gun, take off the entire screen, if you don't have to. If I had a fresh screen, maybe I'd go and do all that, but I don't. These are cheap ass phones. This thing was like $40. I saw a new screen. It was online for like 30, 40 just for the carriage, so it's probably not worth it. I don't know if I got a deal or not. I did see it was like $100, so maybe worth it. Anyways, that's all.